So I think it was not planned. I was I did Hindi, Marathi, and English because I speak those languages, and then so much of regional work, and I'm still doing it. Is because you really connect with people on a very different note,
Correct.
which you do not connect if you're doing solely Hindi work. Correct. So I think that's been pretty good.
Okay, you know, you are what we are calling the new breed of actors and actresses in Bollywood who are out there. They're not very reclusive. They're not really maintaining a distance with their fans, with the audience.
And then I realized it's a business at the end of the day. And so building your brand, connecting with people, that is so important. And the moment I realized the importance, that I met some people, I met some marketing.
Reinventing yourself. मतलब एक वो Po है Kung Fu Panda वाला, who's so full-time awesome, and then there's you. How do you manage to do that?
I don't know what to say, but thank you so much. What I see with me, I genuinely like people. I'm a very people's person. I don't care what you do.
Even though you stay in Andheri Lokhandwala, you genuinely like people.
I do.
You know,
like
that's so difficult to fathom.
What do you mean?
I'm kidding.
I lived in Andheri all this time.
Okay.
Number of comments on a Facebook status.
Uh-huh.
So it was like a world record. That time it was 10,000.
And that was
mine, yeah.
woohoo!
So that was like 5 years ago. It was, I had written the last person to comment on the status would be the winner, and we'll all bow down to your greatness.
Oh my God.
And people's, I read a lot of comments.
Okay.
Or maybe I have no life. Maybe that's what I do.
But this is the new life. I mean, your existence and your online persona, this is the new akhada, this is the new adda, this is the new everything.
Correct. I like it. I quite enjoy it, first of all, and then plus I also create. So for me, it is not like only being there, playing games on Facebook or Instagram or wherever.
Really?
I actually deleted Candy Crush because I thought 4 days I played non-stop, and I said, oh dude, this is making me crazy. I can't take it anymore. So I asked my friend, you delete, I can't delete. So my friend deleted, and thank God she did, because I got into video making, and I started in February this year. I started with Chutki and Suyash, boyfriend-girlfriend story.
Right.
These were 15 seconders on Instagram. Then
How and why did you decide कि ये सिर्फ Instagram पे 15 second के video बनाने?
Okay, I studied a lot. I thought, actually I took like 3 to 4 months into seeing what should I be doing. Because digital मैंने 2010 में शुरू किया था. 2011 से 14 तक I was really caught up and busy with a musical in Delhi. I was doing a musical play.
Okay.
I dance also, by the way. so that
I don't know what the right word is. I'm tongue-tied in front of a radio jockey. But you are obviously reinventing yourself. Convention process been for you. Has it been very difficult? बहुत ज़्यादा friction है? या आपने जैसा कहा कि you know? Okay, so Ruchi is one of the top 3 Fame stars on the Fame app today. As soon as you log into the Fame app, you'll see her pretty profile over there. And in a matter of a few weeks, how many fans are we at right now?
15,000.
15,000 fans, and God knows how much time right now. Barely a couple of.
Who's watching me, who's liking it, who's disliking it, what is working, what is not. So it is like, you know, aapka kacha chatta result in front of you then and there. So you know if you are a flop. You don't need to wait for results to come in, which is thrilling, you know. It is wow, I am something. So it makes you feel like that.
Yeah, it's a great ego boost.
It is.
Fabulous.
Big time, yes.
Best thing ever.
Wazn बढ़ रहा है मेरा उसके
Having a
कारण.
bad day, just go live and you know do awesome things. और shopkeeper के characters या किरदार को वो कुछ और देर के लिए, almost आधे घंटे के लिए वो रूप धारण कर लेते हैं. How has it been for you, Gaurav? I mean,
it's been wonderful because everything is impromptu.
and you don't just have to say good things because I'm sitting here.
No, seriously. See, because broadcasting is really fun because people are actually saying things to you.
Correct.
So what I believe is internet, not just broadcasting, but also Instagram, is a beautiful mix of fiction, which is shot like a film or a TV show, but it's a mix of theater and because the interaction is live.
Correct.
You know, you feel the pulse of the people, what they have to say. You can include that right there and then. So it is much more interactive and it's much more fun.
Correct.
Yeah.
I think there's also a lot of spontaneity in there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, because otherwise, you know, how we do a video, then we redo it, and then we redo it, and we redo it, and this looks good, now let's post that. So we don't have that. So all the fumbles and all the, basically, you have to show them, and that's the real fun, I think.
Absolutely.
And the filters, there are no filters.
Yeah.
So you look the way you look.
You look the way you look.
Exactly.
That's fantastic. Yeah.
No wonder Chutti looks better in the videos. Not in live.
No, so Radhika, I'm going to come to you. आज की तारीख में, and I was just googling your name on Google to see what's making news around your name and stuff like that. So Google predicts, right? आप क्या type करना चाहते हैं? Radhika लिखा, आपने दिखा दिया. By the time I finished writing आपने, the first thing that it automatically predicted was Radhika आपने Ahalya. Okay. Did you remotely think it's going to be such a crazy viral hit? That is question number one. Number two, how has life, feedback, reception changed after Ahalya?
I did not expect that. I actually did not expect that at all.
So for people who don't know what Ahalya is,
So Ahalya is a short film that is directed by Sujoy Ghosh. I think it's a 14-minute short film.
Only on YouTube.
Only on YouTube, and we made it as a fun film. Yeah, we just were like, okay, let's go shoot for 3 days and make a short film. And Sujoy and I have been wanting to work with each other. And then, so yeah, it came out, and the next 3 days my phone didn't stop ringing.
Wow.
It was bizarre. I was like, yeah, but I had 2 film releases.
Yeah, you've done Wonderful, you've done
Yeah,
Hunter.
exactly. I was like, it didn't feel like that.
Yeah.
And literally, the phone did not stop ringing, and I sort of got a bit fried after the 3 days. I was like, I can't do more interviews because it was constant, like, and it wasn't stopping. And I was at that time I was touring with a play of mine and going in a smaller parts in Maharashtra. And people stopped. I was buying some fruit. People stopped cars and they said, "You've done Ahalya," and I was like, "It's amazing that you know Ahalya, but you don't know the other films that I'm part of." But everybody knew Ahalya, and after shows also people used to come. And I don't understand, and that's the power of.
So has that been your penny drop moment in your mind that OMG, digital is so vast,
Yeah.
it's so expansive?
That totally, I did not know how powerful it was, and literally Ahalya, I realized that going viral means this,
Correct.
and it was amazing. It was
I
really
have to confess something. I saw it trending for 2 days, then I went and saw it, and I made a video about it.
Oh, wow.
Oh really?
Yeah, I
Like
made.
a video response to
Yeah,
Ahalya.
I made fun of the.
in Shopkeeper or Chutki?
Yeah, Jot, but
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it.
I've forgotten what exactly. It was like she goes to the shop and she says, "Shopkeeper." And then she says, "Doll fell." तो एक मेरा doll गिरा दी, doll fell. He just, I need stone है, stone से आदमी doll बन जाता है. She goes into dubs and says, "Baby doll में सोड़ी नहीं." So I made a very very random video, but yes, that was the power of the hashtag which I saw. Ahalya is trending. If I make something about it, it is
Correct.
bound to be seen by more people.
You can ride that.
So you do plan these things. What is trending? I don't do it all the time, but yes, I do keep it in my mind. So to talk about things which are people are talking about. So
That's a great learning, right?
That's
from
it,
from him
exactly.
to really ride what is organically trending.
and if you are good, you'll sail with it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, बशर्ते आपका content अच्छा है.
Content.
ऐसा नहीं कि everything कुछ भी कर दिया. I actually want to come to you, Ruchi, about content. You know, a lot of people, and that's the nature of internet, not just in India, globally. A lot of people have misconceptions. Hi, yaar, pretty girl, just put her in front of the camera. My God, there's anyway going to be landslide views. Everyone's going to love it. People are going to throw positive stickers. But I've seen you prepare for your shows. Just take us through that process. It's not just the pretty girl in front of a camera. Content is more important than anything else, right?
Absolutely. So half of the times people think that
Internet is also, and I'm actually going to ask each one of you this question. The internet's also pretty nasty. To women especially. It's unfortunate, but you know, trollers, haters, it is, I mean, they can really get on your nerves at times. What would your tip be? You know, we have so many young, amazing bloggers here, men, women, all of them. What would be your sort of advice to rise above all of that, to focus on your craft, on what you want to do and say? How would you, I mean, what's your Ramban?
I'll tell you very honestly, I feel that when you sign in and make an account, open an account on Twitter or your this app or
Any
whichever
social media.
app, you know, you're basically letting people in. You
Correct.
can't forget that.
Correct.
You're letting people read your stuff, and there is a button that they can press and reply to that, and you're allowing that to happen.
Correct.
Now, people are going to say things. You can't just say, how could he say that to me? Because people are stupid, sorry.
There are all kinds of
And all kinds of people, and people who troll you are like quite cowards.
They're actually attention seekers.
Are cowards. They
Yeah.
can't come and say anything sensible. So they basically, they want something, just
Right.
say something and make hawa. Now, I was just talking to somebody the other day, and I felt that, you go out and you get eve teased. And the same thing, it's just in more numbers and anonymous. It's the same thing, actually. So if you want to be that person, that's your choice. I mean, I have absolutely nothing to say to them. But as a person who has an account on these things, it's a part of the game, and you can't be shocked and go, oh my God, that they said it to you. It's going to happen, but we need to stop that from happening.
Correct.
Because people are taking absolute liberty
Correct.
to say things which are so irresponsible. And so many women are being trolled on Twitter, and such horrible, nasty things about them being said for something, some opinion or something,
Correct.
said on Twitter. We really, really need to think when we
Correct.
write or type anything.
Actually, before I come to Ruchi and Gaurav for the same question, I'd just like to add in over here because it was obviously one of the biggest concerns when we were developing a platform, which is a social media application where you are live. What people love most about it can also be a double-edged sword, right? So we work very consciously on the Fame app to ensure that anyone who creates nuisance, and this person could be a broadcaster or this person can be a viewer, is immediately blocked off from the app. And the response is literally within seconds. There's a 24/7, 24-hour S&P team, which is Standards and Practices team, which is constantly watching each and every live beam, constantly reading each and every live comment. Right now it's happening in Hindi and English, but as we expand and we go to newer markets, which is South in Tamil, and which is Bahasa in Indonesia, we are arming ourselves with not just manpower, but also very intelligent machine learning that can filter objectionable visuals and objectionable words. So I just want to bring that point out because, you have to create a platform which is non-obtrusive to...
That's incredible, actually. That's really incredible. And, sorry, but I just feel that, again,
Sure.
with technology, we always have a choice.
Correct.
Everybody has a choice. You
Correct.
use it for a good reason or you use it for a bad reason.
Correct.
So we all have to make a choice, and newer technologies are going to come, like, every day. So you better make the right one.
And you've got to keep evolving with it. Ruchi, to you.
So, yeah, I would again agree with this that, you are letting people in. If I have everybody who just keeps telling me all the time, oh my God, you are so pretty, Radhika, you are awesome. It's nice to have somebody who once in a while, comes in and says, I don't like it. Then I'll be like, why did you not like
Sure,
it? It helps me, it helps me. So
Yeah.
yes, we have people who go,
But-
who cross limits,
Ah.
and then obviously you have to take certain steps to eliminate that from every medium possible, social media or generally also in life. But other than that, obviously criticism is welcome.
Yeah, positive criticism is great. Gaurav, what do you think about it? Do you get trolled? Does Chutki get trolled?
Not really. When I started making the videos, I play a girl in the videos, Chutki. I also play a man shopkeeper. And initially when I started making videos, I expected like a hate ratio of 50-50. I thought, okay, it's a man dressed as a woman. It might not be accepted. But thankfully, it's been 97% and 3%.
Wow.
And which is amazing because I think people come there and I think people are much smarter now compared to, because internet is still new, it's still evolving,
Correct.
It's still new for people. So at times people feel कि शायद गाली देना ही is the best way to be cool. But now when they're getting used more and more to the internet, they understand that there's so much learning that they can do. There's so much more they can do that they are channelizing their energies in a better way.
Correct.
So मेरा तो cool है, मैं तो said to.
But that, you said something really valid. Because recently I got trolled and I was told that mat jao social media pe. Most of the people who messaged me were positive
Yeah.
responses. And I was so
People stand up for you.
But it was
The community
amazing.
stands up for
It was really amazing. It was very, very...
I think people understand the medium much more now compared to like 5 years ago. They know what to do. They know that they can specialize in music. They can learn about music. They can learn about cooking. There's so much more you can do on the internet.
Correct.
It's not just the...
Yes, we know it.
Yeah, so-
But we will not say it.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. I feel you. Yes, absolutely. We had a question from a gentleman sitting here. Can we just have a hand mic passed across to him? Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself and your question.
Yeah, the name is Anil Kohli.
Okay.
My Twitter handle is Anil Kohli 54.
Okay.
I've been hearing this word troll, and I do agree that there are trolls, but could you define who is a troll and what is a troll?
Wow, okay, we're getting into definitions. Troll is someone who basically wants to create nuisance.
So that's what I tell people, like don't try to be somebody. जो आता है वो करो और वो कमाल करो.
And be authentic.
Be authentic. Don't try to ape somebody. Oh, आजकल rap चल रहा है, चलो मैं भी rap करता हूँ. But maybe you suck at rapping. Maybe you're good at something else. So figure out who you are and just explore and do more.
Awesome, awesome. Radhika?
I think I agree with you that maintain your uniqueness. If you have something, then just be that. Don't try and be one of the people amongst like the whole whatever, like everybody else. Then I think other would be don't overdo it. Because then there's no fun, I think. And I think don't go looking for content. You don't have to like do something. You have to do something if you don't think of something. Like, it will come to you.
Right.
I think content will come to you and that will be what...
That will be organic.
Organic, I think.
Yeah, I also want to add, like somebody asked me, they said, why don't you make videos about, you know, current topics and politics and, you know, like Varun Grover, I don't know if you guys know, he's a digital superstar.
Sure,
he makes videos about what happened on the
Current
street
subjects,
and
yes.
how to be better as a human being. I really thought there's so many more people who know this subject much more, much better. They can do things much better than... I specialize in silly. So I will be silly and specialize in it. So that's what I chose.
It's a brilliant specialization. Ruchi?
Yeah, I would surely say that
Two things which I really wanted to say something is like, you know, there are some certain events which are happening actually. We are talking about this particular event.
Correct.
And the person is covering it from that particular area.
Correct.
So the camera doesn't, I mean, the mobile doesn't have that zooming capacity, you know.
Correct.
And being it's on a very small screen.
Correct.
So really, if you go and stand up there and you see you all are sitting on the stage, you really can't make it out.
Okay.
You know, those things...
Great question. Great question. Great question. This I'll answer in 2-3 parts again. I understand there are a lot of product questions, so we can take a lot of that offline also because I'd love it if, you know, the panel is asking questions. But I'll quickly answer that. Number one, the camera can come as close as possible. Cell phones are unobtrusive. Number two, in the coming product, the coming features that are coming in October, zooming in will be an option. Number three, I personally have zoom lenses or any kind of a detachable lenses onto the cell phone that you can put onto this. मैं fisheye lens लगा सकता हूँ, मैं wide angle लगा सकता हूँ, मैं telephoto लगा सकता हूँ. उससे मैं magnification नहीं कर सकता. And look at the मजेदार part. At least we are having a conversation कि लोग देख रहे हैं, event हो रहा है. आज इसकी बदौलत at least उपलब्धि है कि लोग event तो देख पा रहे हैं. उन्हें पता था कि राधिका आपने गौरव गिरा और रुचि यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. So, like I said, we are only a 3-month-old platform, Suhail. So, a lot of new features will keep on coming, and I'm happy to have product conversations separately, you know, so we can justify their time. Yeah. I would love it if you guys have questions on brand building. Yeah, we have some of the best-known brands in their own right, in their own domains over here, and I think there's a lot to learn from these people for your personal brand building.
Right, yeah, sure. I run a digital media agency. Do a lot of reading. You'll have to find out which platform suits you better. Like I said, what type of content are you making? Are you better at blogging? Are you better at a particular website? What suits the kind of thing that you are doing? You know, so that like Pinterest, I have never used it, but I think it is about a specialized thing. If you're
Everything that you
interested in
lust
food,
after. That's what Pinterest is about.
yeah. So you have this shortlist where you should have some following. Like I'll tell you that I started making videos actually 5 years ago.
Wow.
I came in before AIB, I came
One
in
of the earliest adopters.
So I think only Shami Kapoor ji was doing YouTubing.
Wow.
And I was the second one, and I did crack a deal with UTV Stars and other digital line. But I got busy in 2011 till 2014. I completely stopped making videos. So I had already a few following, but very, very little, you know.
Because you weren't consistent.
I wasn't consistent because you gotta be there. You gotta make content non-stop. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता आपने साल में एक बनाया, जैसे गंगम स्टाइल एक बना दिया और उसके बाद 4 साल कुछ नहीं डालो. It can't be like that. You gotta be engaging people. And so like Instagram I started now. I started from 6,000, you know, when I started, because I'm an actor, so I already had 6,000 following. But today, within a few months, it is 1,44,000. So it has really grown on itself, because internet पे क्या होता है ना, लोग अपने friends को tag करते हैं. Hey, watch this one is funny. So friend tags 10 more people. So internet spreads like that. But you content gotta be good and gotta be regular. Is
Consistency is the key. Radhika, I want to ask you, you know, you've sort of, यहाँ पे उल्टी गंगा अभी बहने लगी है थोड़ी, because internet पे लोग discover हो रहे हैं और mainstream acceptance और mainstream celebdom उन्हें मिल रहा है. Would you in days to come have a separate sort of internet personality or sort of content stream that you would like to create alongside your films, your television, your 511 language films that you do, all of that?
I think yes, I would. I'm a theatre actor to begin with, and I love doing gigs on the spot, and come up like see how people react to that. So this would be a great platform, and I think this is going to be a very big platform in the future. I mean, very soon. I'm talking about like very near future, because this is going to take over. People are so impatient that this is the thing. It's going to be the thing, and so we better come up with something.
Awesome. Any more questions for our panel here? Yes, way back there. मैं कह रहा हूँ यार, ये मुंबई वाले बड़े शर्माते हैं. Delhi was awesome, man. Everyone had a question. We had to ask everyone to be like, find your question. Okay, yeah.
I'm Stephen, freelance journalist. I wanted to know that the tolerance levels dipping. Do we foresee, I don't know, trolls or anyone else who is a moral vigilante coming and saying, this is not morally correct, this is not culturally correct? Because I see such great talent here, and I see these guys probably sometimes nipping talent in the bud. I just want anyone's view on whether this could be some real party spoiler.
Wow. Do you want to take that, Gaurav? Because जैसे आपने कहा, आप बहुत ज़्यादा trending topics, for example, study करते हैं, और उसके ऊपर कटाक्ष या उसके ऊपर अपनी टिप्पणी जो होती है वो पेश करते हैं.
मैं actually वो नहीं करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे कहीं ज़्यादा कटाक्ष लोग हैं.
Sure.
What is कटाक्ष, by the way?
Your take on it.
Okay. So I am not one of those. मुझे सब चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं. मुझे हर तरह का point of view अच्छा लगता है. So मैं उस बारे में zone में नहीं जाता हूँ normally. जैसे अहिल्या का भी था, I didn't make fun of it, but I presented it differently. Yeah, I presented differently without demeaning the film, because I quite enjoyed the movie.
It's fun.
No, it's not even a spoof.
It's just
It is random.
fun, yeah.
It is so random that you'll say, इसकी ज़रूरत क्या थी?
It's so funny. It's
Yeah.
good. You have to do that.
Yeah, it is like ये क्यों है? But broadcasting did I skip the question? I want to say something else.
Say, go ahead.
Broadcasting मेरा इतना faith है since past 5 years, 10 years, so कि I believe everything is content. मुझे लगता है कि there would be somebody interested in all 3 of you, or 4 of you.
Yeah.
कि आपकी क्या बात हो रही है? आप कितने because I find everything so interesting. Like I was going for New Year's to a place, and I wanted to look up a place, and I just randomly Googled, and I found that place, Estrella do Mar, and I could see the video of the whole huts. कोई चलता जा रहा has shot the whole thing, and I was so glad and felt lucky that okay, I know where I'm going.
Correct.
So future later में आगे जाके लोग live चीजें देखना चाहेंगे कि एस्ट्रेला में 2 मार में अभी क्या हो रहा है? What if I check in? What if the building looked better earlier? Now it's not like that.
Absolutely.
So everything I believe is going to go live and looked upon for information also, maybe for learning, maybe for entertainment. So a lot of things will follow with live.
Super.
Actually, that's the beauty of this medium. With this, I just remember that June 17th to 24th, it was really bad in Mumbai. It was raining really badly, and we just thought that it'll again create a flood-like situation.
Right.
And it was Ankit who started beaming while he was driving. And I saw that because I was unwell. I was sitting at my place, and I realized it is so bad down there in Mahim, which I would have not known looking at the television, because this was real time. I knew it's happening right now. So not just for entertainment, I think for reporting purposes as well. This is like the big thing, the next big thing.
Yeah, I mean, we're all these people with cameras over there. We're really happy. Yes, sir.
This is to Gaurav and for Radhika. Being actors aspect of what you do, like you've done your short film, it could be because of working with the director. But how important is the money factor, and how do you take your decisions whether to opt for a particular project?
Very good question. Very good question. He's saying, is that a big motivator? Is that a deal breaker or something like that? The monetization aspect of it.
Like
because
Gaurav has been doing a lot of your videos.
Yeah.
But when you move to fame, Ash Fame, or any other thing, is the money aspect actually an attraction, or are you doing it just out of creativity?
Okay, so you can answer. I will quickly give a rider on top of this. This is any other, it's treated as a
Magic. So which has happened 2 साल हो गए. So now it's on TV, radio, and internet तो मेरा है ही.
Absolutely.
So yeah, everything follows.
So I think what's important is mediums like this or anything on the internet, and which is exactly what this evening is dedicated to, building your personal brand. Because the minute you build your personal brand on internet, then you can leverage it and monetize it on multiple media. Now, the medium itself, like I said, the coming up build is going to offer monetization opportunity. The medium itself will offer monetization, but that shouldn't really be the only motivation for people to get onto the app, because brand banana is more important. Right?
See, also live going broadcasting for me on Fame is also one of the reasons is that I make a lot of videos non-stop for past कब से February से non-stop. अभी क्या हो गया?
How many videos?
Okay, 500 plus videos I have made.
500 plus videos.
Yeah, I have made. So I feel that people need to know a little bit more about me, and they do desire. They ask me questions on Facebook or inbox and something. What are you really like and this and that. So for me, going live means okay, मैं ऐसा हूँ. मैं चुटकी के टाइम में माता आ जाती है. I become shopkeeper. So I need to go and show the real me that yes, I am spontaneous. Also, it doesn't take me too much of effort to become a girl and a man. क्योंकि कई बार तो मैं कपड़े भी नहीं change करता. I carry the bigs there right now on my bag.
How much time does it take to become chutki?
एक मिनट भी नहीं लगता. So
What? करके दिखा. Right now, we are not going to take your word for it. Hello.
So basically, I've cut down the whole process. मैं वो सब नहीं करता जो पिक्चर करती है या टीवी करता है. वो अच्छे शॉट लगाते हैं, मैं शॉट भी नहीं लगाता. I keep on my frontal mobile cam पे करता हूँ. मैं editing phone पे करता हूँ. तो मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस ही काट दिया. आप लगाते रहो सेट, आप लगाओ कैमरा, मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा. So this is shopkeeper and you went in. Yeah, ये भी कम लग रहा है. ये क्या चाहिए? So this is shopkeeper. जो दुकान पे बैठे, अरे कोक ले लो.
कोक देना.
अरे काक दियो.
That's one of my favorite.
Yeah, this video has become really viral, and Dub Smash really helped it because a lot of people have made this Dub Smash.
Their version of it.
Their version of it. It's my voice. Shopkeeper. Coke देना. ये cock दियो. Coke. Cock. Coke. छोटा या बड़ा? नहीं चाहिए. बस सुनने आई थी. This was one of the videos which has really done well. Or I don't know if you guys have heard this, but Mallam hai, Suji hai, that is also pretty famous.
Go for it. Go.
Shopkeeper. आई बेटी. Mallam hai. आई है. Suji है. आई है. लगा लेना. These are the small videos. Again, I'll say I studied a lot कि मैं कितना length का content बनाऊं, because earlier मैं 7 मिनट के बनाता 2010 में जो बोल रहा हूँ. Then I realized, okay, I am targeting teenagers. I'm targeting people who are going in college. They don't have so much of data जो free में हो, plus buffering, and उसके बाद ad आएगा, उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे चलेगा video. Oh, let's cut it out. I'll make a video which is 15 seconds. It's like reading a joke on your phone. Quickly in between your classes you read it and then you go back smiling. So that is what I made. So I gave them what I thought with their budgets, their time and everything. चुटकी दिखा दूँ?
हाँ, okay. मतलब निकी और चुटकी.
This is shopkeeper.
Oh.
Oh, I am not carrying the lipstick though.
I have it. I have
You
it.
have a lipstick?
Yeah, you want?
निकालने पड़ता है. So चुटकी basically ऐसी है जो lipstick puts all over. उसकी lipstick पूरी बाहर होती है.
Wow, man. ये सब real time ही हो रहा है अभी यहाँ पे. You sure you want to like?
ये तो फेविकॉल टाइम लग रहा है.
Glue stick. Go for
So
it.
this is how I do.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I think she's going to burn this.
Yeah.
So चुटकी is like that basically. Shopkeeper.
And you went in.
What's the one? Shopkeeper.
And you went in.
Pink dress कितने की है?
45.
5,000.
5,000.
I will do that. Yeah.
You
Go
go
ahead.
for it,
I remember. Yeah.
So you are shopkeeper.
Yeah.
You want the wig?
I'll be the chutki.
You want the
You
weight?
chutki.
Yeah.
मैं-
No,
मैं-
not you can be shopkeeper. Yeah. Go ahead.
So the video is shopkeeper.
हाँ जी बहन जी.
Pink dress कितने की है?
5,000.
Oh, grey dress.
10,000.
Oh, red dress.
All plus all.
Wow.
There are many more videos like that. There are like 500 videos
My
already
God.
there.
My God.
So I just think that maybe at times मैं आपको 2:30 बजे video बना देता हूँ. At times one video of mine which Akshay Kumar made with Siddharth Malhotra.
Brothers के
I was partying in Delhi and I couldn't believe, oh my God, Akshay Kumar ने मेरा video बना दिया. So
आप बोल सकते हो यार.
अरे मशरूम है. नहीं, restroom. कौन? Powder room. Bonds. Oh, टट्टी जाना है. So I basically see again the content wise. otherwise I'll say what I make is something which is not on TV, which is not on films. It's a
You
police
just
take.
checked with me, मैं टट्टी बोल सकता हूँ क्या? I mean,
I
इस
will-
कदर टेलीविजन ने हमको इतना वो बना दिया है, डरा दिया है.
So innocent पे,
Conscious.
which is innocent यार. You say it in English, सबको कबूल है. हिंदी में क्या ऐसा हो जाता है?
गलत बात.
गलत बात है.
Radhika,
पंजाबी.
are you going to like collab with this mad, mentally sick boy?
I don't think I'm Matt, you're.
Oh, come on, you're a theatre person.
You just need the lipstick. That's all.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, we actually have, I don't know if we can plug into the visuals here, but Shruti Prakash, one of the top fame stars, she's an amazing singer.
Radhika, tell us how important is a digital platform is, it is famous everywhere, people are starting looking at film stars और content ही बहुत important होता है, बहुत, gripping होता है. What's your take, what's your view on that?
See, I think generation का भी बहुत मतलब it's important that you see people who read newspapers and some people who watch TV, and a lot of young people today, they just basically read everything on their phone, and social media is something that they attack first. That's the first thing they open when they wake up, and they basically want to see that. So it's becoming more and more important, and I think I realized it when the film that I did, Ahalya, that went viral, the short film that I did online. And then I realized that actually that has become so powerful, and it's really, really crucial that to channelize your sort of whatever, if you're building your brand or you're doing some publicity, or if you just want to reach out to people, then that's a very, very important tool.
I met Rohan Sikri, the son of Mr.
Yes,
Ramesh Sikri, and he's so inspired with your film. He's planning something digital on a very big level. What's your take? What's your view on that?
Well, it's great if it has inspiration. I think the credit does go to Suja, a lot of it, most of it rather. So I'm glad that something like that is happening.
But digital platform is providing overexposure to their these communities. So sometimes the community gets overexposed. So
Yes.
it devalues
That's true. That's true. Any overexposure is bad. Even if you come every day in page 3, that's bad. So I mean, what I'm trying to say is that any overexposure is bad, and it's up to you how much you like. For example, if I'm putting a video every 2 minutes, then that's not going to solve the purpose. The content has to. That's why the content is important. When you have access to information so easily, then content becomes extremely crucial. I think, in fact, becomes more and more crucial.
Radhika, this is the course of rejection, there on the dice. You said, कि मेरी उतनी फिल्मों से लोगों ने मुझे इतना नहीं जाना जितना इस छोटी सी फिल्म में जाना जो डेली प्लेटफॉर्म पर दी थी.
जी.
Why is this so? क्या वाकई में इतना मजबूत, इतना strong platform?
Yeah, you really. I mean, I really was very shocked because after my film releases, जितना मुझे phone calls आए या जितना मुझे media attention आया, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे अहिल्या के बाद phone calls आए या people wanted to do interviews and everything.
Might be I'm repeating myself. Rohan Sikri says he'll be coming with a series of a short film after he saw Sujay Ghosh. What's your view on it?
That's a very, very good idea, I think, because short films are very great platform because the production cost is much lower than as compared to a feature film, and you can do much more experimentation because there's less at stake. So you can actually to compromise less, and you can actually put forth a lot of things, and it's a great thing because it's a very short span of time. You're giving out a story, you're giving out something that you want to give out. It's a great platform, and if more people start using it, more people start watching it, then that's good news for a lot of artists.
Do you see the future of the commercial cinema from India getting released on digital platform in future?
I think not just India, but all over. Like I think digital media and the online streaming started with the music band. So why not theatre, and why not films, and why? I mean, films is hard because it's live streaming is hard because you have to make the film entirely, but digital releases I'm sure are going to be something that I can't speak about that yet. So
Does the life change post-Hunter?
Post-Hunter, it's not Post-Hunter, but this year has been pretty fruitful for me because I've had 4 feature films. I've had Ahilya, I've had Chokhe Bali, I had another film in TIFF, so it's been quite fruitful.
Who do you see as the best filmmaker in the industry?
there are many. I can't have one, but there are many. A group of a few people.
Anyone who you love to work with, you know?
I think I've worked with
and makers.
No, I think I've worked with a lot of really good directors. It's like Anurag Kashyap, Basu, Sujay Ghosh, Sriram Raghavan, Harsh, Ketan Mehta, Leena Yadav. So many of them are really, really good people that I've worked with. And I would like to repeat, I would like to work with them again. I think they're up to date. And this is the next big thing that's going to happen. People want to know everything fast. People want to know everything on the spot. They want to they want to interact with you, and want to know what you're doing right now, how you react, how does your face go when I ask you that question, or whatever it is. But they want information, and so that is very, very useful. And secondly, as she was saying earlier, that the news reporting and letting people know what is going on is so crucial, to know exactly what is going on and then plan your things, because everything is so fast. We live a very fast-paced life these days.
There are people who cross the limits, you know, whether it's Twitter or they don't care about whether you're a celebrity or you're a public figure. They cross the limits. What's your take?
They cross the limits on the roads also. So let's start everything, changing it from your own house. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's change things. घर पे मतलब बोलते हैं ना, घर से बदलना चाहिए. तो वो ट्विटर का दोष नहीं है, वो घर पे अपने you have to, that's very fundamental.
There's a need of a law also, you know, whether it's state machinery or the central machinery.
There should be a law about eve teasing also. Let's talk about fame now. Of course, every girl in this country has been a shikar of eve teasing. I mean, so that's okay, a different
let's
topic.
Talk about fame. What do you think, what's your take whenever you become a part of an event or associate yourself with an event? What are three things you look into?
I don't know, I just told you what I thought about fame. But it's just the reach of it, and if it has whatever it has advantages, like this has really great advantage. You can record things, you can stream it live. So what it offers has a lot to do with it. There is no list I can take, but every application offers something. So you just look at that and you do it.
Radhika, given a chance, do you want to do some commercial cinema apart from what you have done with Ketan Mehta in The Mountain?
I like to not distinguish between commercial cinema and art house cinema. If you're trying to sell a cinema, that's trying to be commercial. And I'm trying to do a variety of films, a variety of roles. And I just like to not be categorized in either of the categories.
Given a choice, you know, roaming around cities and all, doing, as you said, you don't categorize the cinema. But given a choice, you know, you're roaming around, even doing a romantic film.
It depends on the script. It will depend. Thank you very much. What should I say?
Your name and Anandam.
Hi, मैं हूँ राधिका आप्टे और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं आनंदम टीवी पर.
How do you see the whole journey of, you know, digital platform getting so popular? What's your take? What's your view on that? You know, even your journey, RJ to fame star.
So I have been an RJ for 9 years now. So I started when I was 17 in 2006, and it's been only 3 months that I have been a fame star. And trust me, the way I see this growing is immense, because 3 महीने में अगर 15,000 की fan following मिल सकती है, you know, it's dangerously exciting. It's like किस level पे सोचो लोग जो हैं वो digital media को accept कर रहे हैं और बढ़ा रहे हैं. That on radio to get that kind of fan following, radio के जरिए to get that fan following on digital media, it took me years. 15,000 की fan following Facebook पर आने में मुझे कम से कम 5 साल लगे होंगे. Every day we would ask people to come in, respond to us, speak to us on Facebook. Over here, right here, I can't tell you how big and how easy a journey it is for anybody. मैं बता रही हूँ, आज आप ये कर रहे हैं, कल आप इस तरफ आकर के बोलेंगे, now I'm this side of the mic and you know, now you watch me, I am the star. It's like that.
Okay, you know, I met Rohan Sippy on the completion of 40 years of Sholay, and he said he's really inspired by the short movie which is done by Sujay Ghosh, and he's planning a series of movies to release on digital platform. What's your take on that, you know?
You know, so 9 years of being in media, I think I have been a part of you guys as well. So 5 years back, you would see me interviewing people. So I have traveled. I have traveled from Indore to Mumbai. So all this while, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता that I would have not thought of getting onto television. I did a few shows. I did Fox Cricket League on Sony and all that. So I posted that. But then it was just, you know, a few of them. Everybody would want to have their show if you are in media. Even if you are a radio jockey, you want to be on television. Even if you are on television, you want to be in films. If you are in films, you want to direct something. So everybody wants to move a step ahead. Aaj tak, it was really difficult. You know what I knew? I would have to go speak to 10 production houses and all that. I am a production house in myself now. so, I think it's the same thing that Rohan Sippy would have thought, that he's a powerhouse in himself. He doesn't need people. I don't need people. So Radhika Apte did not need people to get that short film running on internet. So all I need is my power, my creativity, and I am bang on there because I don't need people to see me through a medium. It's like, it's accessible by all.
Do you aim in Bollywood?
Bollywood as well?
Do you aim in Bollywood as
Do
an
I
actor?
aim in Bollywood?
Yes.
If you print me a lot, I would definitely aim for Bollywood. If you show me a lot on television, I'll surely get eyeballs.
Do you think there'll be future in future the films getting released on digital platform as Rohan Sippy thought so?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it is already happening right now. If you must have seen, or I would have seen movies that are of 14 minutes of length. Why? Because we don't have that much of data in our mobile phones and internet. That is why. But then there are movies that are 2 hours also on the net, which is released. So with this new change, the storm of digital content, it is happening. And if it happens digitally, I think then I would be the first one to go there, because then I would be the Deepika Padukone of digital content, you know.
Okay, what's your view, your association with hashtag? What are 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand, being an RJ? What are 3 things you look into becoming? You associate yourself with any brand or any initiative?
So I did look out for visibility. So as an RJ, everybody anyway thinks that you would be a bad-looking person. I think it's a taken. I don't know why, but then we have a mindset. So, people are inquisitive to know. Even if you look back, they want to know. They've been listening to you for years. So they want to know, how do you look like? So that was one prerequisite that I thought of before getting into film. The second was interactivity with the fans, which I spoke about on stage as well. So I have had listeners listening to me, but then I cannot interact with them then and there. So that is what, hashtag Fame provides me. And it is freedom of content. So I can tell them about my life. On radio, I talk about roads, about the government, about anything else, about stock markets. I hardly talk about myself. This is the medium where I talk about myself. I talk about love and relationships on hashtag Fame. It is so nice to personally connect with a person, not talk about what is happening in the world, but then what is happening in your life.
How's life post hashtag Fame?
It's... It has given me a lot of fame that you would have seen already. It feels great. It's an ego booster. So I feel great when I see that I have 15,000 fans. I feel great when anytime I log on to my Beam, I get more than 1,000 people to watch me. It's exhilarating.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Gaurav, you doesn't need an introduction. Tell us how digital, as the PM says, go digital. What's your take in the current, especially about hashtag Fame? What's your view on it?
See, I was just talking to somebody, मैं उनको बता रहा कि डिजिटल का बहुत बड़ा पावर है कि इसमें आप सिर्फ रिसीवर नहीं हो. टीवी में क्या होता है कि आप रिसीवर हो, आपको दिख रही है पिक्चर है, आपको दिख रहा है सीरियल है, आप बैठे बैठे उसे कंज्यूम कर रहे हो. लेकिन आपके अंदर भी बहुत कुछ है जिसको आप टाइम ही नहीं देते, क्योंकि ये सब आपको इतना ऑक्यूपाइड रखता है कि आप देखे जा रहे हो, पिक्चर देखे जा रहे हो, टीवी देख. अब मैं मानता हूँ कि हर किसी में टैलेंट होता है. कोई अच्छा सिंगर होता है, कोई अच्छा खाना बनाता है, कोई अच्छा बातें कहता है. कुछ लोगों को शेक्सपियर के बारे में ऐसा मालूम होता है कि दुनिया में किसी को नहीं मालूम. कुछ लोगों को स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में इतना कुछ मालूम होता है कि आप हो सकता है आप उसकी एनसाइक्लोपीडिया हो जो दुनिया में बाकी लोगों को कैसे शेयर करोगे. तो आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है हैशटैग फेम में कि आप अपना जाओ. फ़ोन है आपके पास, आजकल हर किसी के पास फ़ोन होता है. स्मार्टफोन पे हैशटैग फेम फ्री का है, डाउनलोड करो और उसमें जाके अपनी बातें कहो. जिससे कि अभी आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि दादी के नुस्खे गुम हो जाते हैं. दादी आपका खाना जो बनाती थी, जुकाम होता था तो क्या दादी कुछ देती थी आपको पता है, लेकिन आप 100 लोगों को नहीं बता पा रहे क्योंकि आप तो टीवी देख रहे हो. तो भैया जाओ, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करो, अपने ऐसी बातें करो जो आप शायद दुनिया का भलाई कर पाओ. शायद आपकी बातें ऐसी हो जो इंस्पिरेशनल हो, मोटिवेशनल हो. तो जो आपको सबसे अच्छे से आता है वो आपको करना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक डिजिटल जैसे जा रहा है, सेम हैशटैग तो उसी तरफ है. सी एक्चुअली मैं इस बात को शायद मुझे इंट्यूशन हो जाता है. मैं 5-7 साल से मानता हूँ कि टीवी स्टार रहेंगे, फिल्म स्टार रहेंगे, लेकिन हर स्टार हो सकता है आपकी बिल्डिंग में हो, जो कि शायद कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो, जो कि शायद गाता इतना अच्छा है कि लोग उसको देखने आते हैं. शायद वो लड़की इतना खूबसूरत डांस करती है कि लोग उसको देखने आते हैं. तो हो सकता है उस लड़की की, जैसे एग्जाम्पल भी डिजिटल का ये है कि आपको शायद पता होगा कि जो जस्टिन बीबर हैं, ये किसी बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर के बेटे नहीं हैं. इसकी मम्मी उसके वीडियोस बना के अपलोड करती थी यूट्यूब पे, जस्टिन बीबर को रजिस्टर किया और जस्टिन बीबर आज जस्टिन बीबर है जिसकी करोड़ों फॉलोइंग है। तो वो बना तो आप ही जैसा लोग है। तो ऐसे ही आप में भी हो सकता है कुछ टैलेंट हो जो आप डिस्प्ले कहाँ करोगे। अब आपके पास ये है हैशटैग फेम, उस पर बैठो, अपनी बात कहो। अगर आप टैलेंटेड डांसर हो डांस करो, आपको खाना अच्छा बनाता है खाना दिखाओ, बट कुछ करो तो सही।
During the competition of Sholay, Rohan Siddhi said, he's so much inspired with Radhika Apte film, she's directed a few years ago. Starting a series of movies to release on digital platforms.
On internet?
Yes. What's your take? What's your view on it, Gaurav?
See, I think it's wonderful क्योंकि डिजिटल का एक तरफ से जा ही रहा है, बाकी दूसरे जो कंट्रीज हैं उसमें ऑलरेडी जा भी चुका है। बहुत काम ऐसे हो रहे हैं बड़े बड़े बजट वाले जो सिर्फ इंटरनेट पे होता है। सो डेफिनेटली एक तरह से सी टीवी पे ही होता है, मैं कैसे बताऊँ, जैसे रेडियो है, रेडियो चल रहा है, उस पर गाने आ रहे हैं, आए जा रहे हैं, आए जा रहे हैं, आए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। एक पैसिव कंज्यूमर हो। इंटरनेट पे क्या होता है, आप उस चीज़ पे जाते हो जिसमें आप इंटरेस्टेड हो। जैसे मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ इन्फॉर्मेशन में, मैं खाली टाइम में विकीपीडिया चाटता हूँ, विकीपीडिया पे किसके बारे में क्या लिखा है, कंपनी कैसे बनती है, काम कैसे करते हैं, मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए जाता हूँ इंटरनेट पे। तो लेकिन टीवी पे तो मुझे वो चीज़ नहीं मिलेगी ना जो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ। मुझे हर चीज़ दिख रही है। हमें ऐसे मैगजीन खोल दिए, टीवी और रेडियो जो होता है वो ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा अच्छा यार, लेकिन आपको इंटरेस्टेड किस में हो वो आपको सिर्फ डिजिटल में मिलता है। जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा, अगर आप कैमरा ढूंढना चाहते हो गूगल कर लो एक बार, उसके बाद आपको कैमरे ही कैमरे दिखते हैं। लेकिन टीवी पे आपको कितनी बार कैमरे की ऐड दिखेगी, तो पूरे दिन में शायद एक दिख जाए। लेकिन इंटरनेट पे पीपल गो फॉर व्हाट दे वांट इज बेसिकली माय।
Gaurav Gera is noticed by everyone, whether it is a serial, whether it is a movie. He was noticed that whether he is there for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Does Gaurav Gera need hashtag?
Yes I do. See, because पहले तो मेरे एम्बिशंस बहुत डिजिटल हैं। मैं टीवी भी कर चुका हूँ, मैं फिल्में भी कर चुका हूँ, और मैं पिछले 5 साल से मैं डिजिटल में बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा इंटरेस्ट है। मुझे लगता है कि जो चीज़ मुझे पसंद है मैं उसी को क्यों छोड़ दूँ कि अरे मैं तो गौरव गेरा हूँ, मैं क्यों हैशटैग पे हूँ। मेरा वो एवरीबडी इज अ सुपरस्टार। मेरे लिए तो हर कोई एक एक आदमी कीमती है जो मेरे काम को पसंद करता है, तो मैं उसको जाके थैंक यू तो बोल पाऊँ। और कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि मैं जब इंटरव्यूज़ देता हूँ, ये होता है कि हमारे पास जर्नलिस्ट आते हैं, इंटरव्यूज़ लेते हैं, और कई बार कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें लिखी होती हैं जो आपने कभी कही भी नहीं थी। मेरा तो वो मतलब ही नहीं था। आपने जिस तरह से उसको स्पाइसी बनाने के लिए ऊपर आपने हेडिंग दे दी, अरे भैया मैं तो कह नहीं रहा था, या तो आपको मेरी बात नहीं समझ आई जर्नलिस्ट को, या फिर जर्नलिस्ट को लैंग्वेज का फ़र्क, जिस तरह से मैंने बोला है शायद उनको कुछ और समझ आया। लेकिन ये तो मेरे मुंह से निकली हुई बात है जो मैं ब्रॉडकास्ट में जाके बोल सकता हूँ। तो इट्स अ पावर फॉर एवरीबडी इज व्हाट आई फील।
Do you think journalists somewhere down the line, especially the people who cover entertainment media, is irresponsible?
नो आई एम नॉट, मैं इस बारे में मैं कह रहा हूँ ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी। मैं जर्नलिस्ट को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं जैसा मेरा दोस्त है, चलो रमेश को मैंने एक बात कही, रमेश ने जाके मुकेश को कुछ कह दिया। अब मैंने जो कहा था वो मुकेश के पास नहीं पहुँचेगा, वो रमेश का वर्जन पहुँचेगा। लेकिन अगर मैं मुकेश को कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं मुकेश को डायरेक्टली बोलूँगा, तो मेरे पास वो पावर है ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में।
What should be done to make the brand larger than life in the future? Should it be a satellite channel as well? I mean,
आई थिंक जो हो जाए वो तो करना ही चाहिए। इफ इट इज़ सी लाइक मैं कहता हूँ कि टीवी और फिल्म्स के बजट बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं, आपके करोड़ों लगे होते हैं, आप बहुत सोच समझ के बात होते हो ना ये नहीं बिकेगा, उस चक्कर में आप वो चीज़ें नहीं देखते तो शायद बिके। तो लाइव में क्या होता है, अब हमने इतनी देर यहाँ पे लाइव बीमिंग किया है, वो टीवी चैनल तो बोलता ना कि नहीं इसको काट के इतना छोटा कर दो, क्या पता उस छोटे से पल में जो मैजिक हो रहा हो वो टीवी नहीं दिखा पाएगा, क्योंकि उनका टाइम चाहिए। तो आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग। आप चीज़ों को वैसे देख रहे हो जैसी वो हो रही है।
Okay, Gaurav, what's there in the pipeline? What's happening apart from hashtag fan?
ओके, हैशटैग फेम इज़ जस्ट अ पार्ट फॉर मी। मैं इसके अलावा मैं बता दूं कि मैं डिजिटल पर काफ़ी कुछ कर रहा हूं और मेरा फोकस फ़िलहाल सिर्फ डिजिटल है। मैंने वीडियोस बनाने शुरू किए थे छुटकी और शॉपकीपर के, जो अब बहुत वायरल हो चुके हैं, और मैंने अप्रैल में शुरू किया था। अभी मैं इंटरव्यूज़ दुबई में दे चुका हूँ, पाकिस्तान में दे चुका हूँ, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड वीडियोज़ वायरल हैं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तानी क्लियरली हर जगह पे, जिसको हिंदी समझ आती है या फिर कुछ अफ़गानी लोग होते हैं जिनको हिंदी आती है, तो मेरे वीडियोज़ थोड़े से वायरल हो चुके हैं और उसका मैं फ़िलहाल फ़ायदा उठा रहा हूँ। फिर जैसे कि मैंने बिग मैजिक जो टीवी चैनल है उसके साथ डील क्रैक की है। अब छुट्टी शॉपकीपर टीवी पे भी आता है, रेडियो पे भी आता है। अब शॉपकीपर जो मैं दुकानदार बनता हूँ, दुकानदार इंटरव्यूज़ लेता है स्टार्स के अपने स्टाइल में, आई कौन हो तुम, वो नहीं पहचानता एक्टरों को, तो उसका अपना एक तरीका है लोगों का इंटरव्यू करने का। और हैशटैग फेम मेरे लिए एक ज़रिया है जहाँ मैं लोगों से लाइव बात कर सकता हूँ, आपको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, क्या नहीं पसंद आ रहा, देखूँ तो सही लोग कहना क्या चाहते हैं, तो मैं इसलिए हैशटैग फेम पे भी जाता हूँ।
है, उसका